Well, good morning to all of you. Today, some important rules of narration I'm going to discuss with you. Direct and indirect. Whatever we speak may be written in direct way or indirect way. First of all, we need to remember that when changing the direct into indirect speech, whenever whenever we are changing indirect direct into indirect or indirect from direct. Here I am stressing upon from direct to indirect. Some certain grammatical changes are important. The rules that you should remember: the present tense in reported speech. We have two parts of a direct narration. Till say Ram said, comma. You might have seen comma and inverted comma. The part of sentence that is in inverted comma is said reported speech. And said, Ram said, my mother said, he said, the servant says, whatever. That part of a sentence is known as reporting verb. A direct narration has two parts: reporting verb and reported speech. When the tense is in reported speech, is in present tense. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो टेंस अगर प्रेजेंट में होगा तो क्या क्या चेंजेस हो सकते हैं? शैल विल चेंज इनटू शुड, शैल शुड, विल वुड, कैन कुड, मे माइट, कम इनटू केम, is coming, was coming, has come, had come, has been coming, had been coming. ये रिमेंबर रखना है आपको कि शैल शुड में बदल जाएगा. शैल का पास्ट टेंस भी इनडायरेक्ट में उड ही होगा, शुड नहीं लिखते हम लोग. विल और वुड और शैल का भी उड. इनडायरेक्ट पोजिशंस में शैल का कोई उपयोग नहीं. शैल का पास्ट टेंस लिखेंगे उड. आई शैल कम, आई वुड कम. मे चेंज इनटू माइट, कैन चेंज इनटू कुड. If reported speech, if a reported speech relates to some universal or habitual fact, याद रखना है कि रूल 1 में कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच is related to some universal or habitual fact, the simple present tense is reported remains unchanged. कोई भी यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ या हैबिचुअल फैक्ट्स होगा उसका टेंस हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he said man is mortal. he said कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर में है, man is mortal. he said कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर में लिखा हुआ मैन इज mortal. अब here you see what the rule tells. If the reported speech related to universal truth or habitual fact, Here man is mortal is a universal truth. And it is in simple tense. And it is in simple present also. Man is tells about present. What will be indirect? He said that man is mortal. That's all. No change of past tense. Though it is verb is, grammar tells that if tense of a reported verb is in past, tense of the reported speech should be in past. But here, what is the difference? You have to keep in mind that when the sentence is a universal truth or it is a habitual fact, change of a tense is not done. Whatever the tense it is written, write in the same. Next, he proved, comma, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर में है द अर्थ इज राउंड. ही प्रूव, कॉमा, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर में द अर्थ इज राउंड. अब यू सी द अर्थ इज राउंड is a universal truth. The first part he said is in past tense. That is reporting verb is in past. And the next part of the sentence reported speech. And the tense of reported speech is simple present or it is in present tense. Number one. Number two, it is written. It is written as what? It is written as. It is written as. It is written as what? It is written as a universal truth. So I already told you that when the sentence is universal truth, no change in the tense will be done. No change in the tense. Here you see. Here you see. I am writing. Please see. I am writing. He said. He said the earth moves moves round the sun. Here you see the sentence that I have written. The sentence that I have written. He said the earth moves around the sun. He said के बाद there is a comma. The earth moves around the sun. Inverted comma you could see. So if a sentence is written in that way, he said the earth moves around the sun. So क्या होगा? He said that the earth moves around the sun. Grammar tells that there will be no change. That there will be no change in the tense if it is in universal truth. If it is universal truth or if it is a habitual truth. Number two, next sentence. Next sentence is Sita said, virtue is its own reward. Virtue is its own reward. The next sentence, virtue is in its own reward. You can please see. He said the earth moves round the sun. Here you see inverted comma में universal truth. It is written universal truth. So the earth moves round is a universal truth. So there will be no change. Next sentence. Next sentence I am writing. Sita said, Sita said, Sita said, virtue. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्या कर रहे हैं? वर्च्यू, virtue, virtue is its own reward, own reward. Here you see the sentence. सीता सेठ कॉमा रिवार्ड, कॉमा यहां भी रहेगा फुल स्टॉप के बाद. दिस पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस इज सेड रिपोर्टेड वर्ब, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, रिपोर्टिंग verb, and that part of a sentence is called reported speech. Here you see, said वाला जो part होगा, that is said, reporting, that will be said reporting verb, and virtue is its own reward, जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर में है. It is a universal truth or it is a habitual truth. Grammar tells that if the reported speech relates in some universal virtue, it's a universal truth. The simple present, इसका इज है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट का यूज किया गया है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज रिमेन अनचेंज्ड, वो अनचेंज रहेगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा मेरे बच्चों? सीता सेड, सीता सेड, सीता सेड that virtue is its own reward. सिर्फ सीता सेड के बाद that लग जाएगा. सीता सेड that virtue is its own reward. सिंपल बना देंगे इस तरह से कि सीता said that virtue, सेम सेंटेंस लिख देंगे नॉटेड कॉमा हटा के कि सीता said that virtue is its own reward. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं ना? Now next rule I am telling you. I am telling you about the next rule. क्या कहता है कि if the reporting if the reporting verb is in present or future, present or future tense, future tense, future tense, the tense of the verb, the tense the tense of the verb, the tense of the verb in the reported speech, in the reported speech reported speech reported speech is not changed at all. Can you see, if the reporting verb, see the word reporting verb, if reporting verb is in present or future tense, अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट में हो या फ्यूचर में हो, he says, it is in present, he says, the servant says, the teacher will say. So if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, if the reporting verb, आप देखें ध्यान से, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech, the tense of the verb, tense of the verb in reported speech is not changed at all. नहीं बदलता है, कभी भी नहीं बदलता है. दो पार्ट होते हैं, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन. डायरेक्ट नरेशन के दो पार्ट होते हैं. कौन सा पार्ट होता है? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, ये तो मैं बता चुका हूं. फिर भी एग्जांपल्स देखिए. ही सेज, टी इज रेडी, टी इज रेडी. अब ये देखिए, ये जो पार्ट है, ये पार्ट और ये दो पार्ट होते हैं. ये है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आरवी और ये है आरएस रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. दो पार्ट होते हैं नरेशन के. एक ही सेज जो हुआ, ही सेज या ही सेड या ही विल से, जो भी कहता है, ही इज गोइंग टू से, वट एवर, जो से वाला पार्ट होगा, दैट इज नोन एज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. It is known as reporting verb. And the next part that is written in inverted comma, tea is ready, that is reported speech. Now come to the grammar. What the rule tells us? The rule tells us that in the reporting verb, if the reporting verb is in present tense, here you see, report says is in present tense, says is in present tense or future tense. The tense of the reporting verb, tense क्या है? Is. Reporting verb का tense क्या है? Is. It is in present tense. Tense of the reporting verb is not changed at all. तो ये is में ही रह जाएगा. क्या होगा मेरे बच्चों? He says that the tea is ready. He says that the tea is ready. He says that the tea is ready. Next, will में देखिए, the teacher will say, the teacher will say, the boy was dull. The boy is dull. अब यहां देखिए, here you see the teacher says this part is reporting verb. ये reporting verb है. This part is reporting verb. The teacher will say that the boy is dull. ग्रामर तो यही कह रहा है कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट में हो या फ्यूचर में हो तो टेंस ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल नेवर चेंज, वो नहीं बनेगा कभी भी. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ता हूं. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट वेल माय डियर, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? प्लीज राइट इन बॉक्स, because I am going to move forward. Harshit only understood. What about others? Please write your answer in box. If anybody have problem, please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Please fast. Only 3 rules I have taught. 30 minutes have passed. How long I will go on? So many has to be taught. Come on, fast. Anyway, let us see the next rule. The next rule. The next rule I am going to write. The next rule I am going to write. Change in pronoun and possessive. Change in pronoun and possessive. Change in pronoun and possessive. Adjective. क्या क्या चेंजेस होते हैं? Change in pronouns and possessive adjective. क्या क्या चेंजेस होंगे? Pronoun and possessive adjectives of the first and second person. Pronouns and possessives. Pronoun and possessive adjectives of the first person and second person देखिए, time is running out. Change in pronoun and possessives of the first person and second person. 3 persons होते हैं बेटा. There are 3 persons. First, second and third. There are 3 persons. First person, second person and third person. First person is what? I, you and he. I, you and he. So Ram said that I am ill. अगर कहता है कि राम said I am ill, तो क्या हो जाएगा? I will change into he. I will change into he. तो ये सारे चेंज हो जाते हैं थर्ड पर्सन में. चेंज करके क्या बन जाते हैं? When the pronoun and possessive adjective of the first person and second person changed into third person. थर्ड पर्सन में बन जाता, चेंज into थर्ड पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन में चला जाता है. फर्स्ट पर्सन आई और यू ही बदल जाएगा. थर्ड पर्सन ही शी इट and he she it and they. So what is the change? When the change in the pronouns and possessive adjectives, the pronouns and possessive adjective of the first person and second person directly change into third person. बात को ध्यान से सुनिएगा मेरे बच्चों. Pronoun and possessive adjective of the first person and second person directly change into third person. For example, Ram said I am ill. अब यहां आई जो है फर्स्ट पर्सन में, वो डायरेक्टली चेंज करके थर्ड पर्सन बदल जाएगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा? राम सेड दैट ही वॉज इल. क्लियर है? क्लियर है ना? रेज योर हैंड. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. यू कुड सी द वॉच. 5 मिनट बच रहा है बेटा, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. यस, ओनली हर्ष. Nobody is active in this classroom. What is this? हर्षित, आगे बढ़ते जाइए. ठीक है. अब देखिए एक और एग्जाम्पल इसी बेस पर. अभी मैंने बताया कि प्रोनाउन एंड पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड द सेकंड पर्सन डायरेक्टली चेंज इनटू थर्ड पर्सन. अब मैंने मान लीजिए लिखा ही सेड कॉमा माई पेन इज लॉस्ट. अब यहां पे देखिए, see the example. He said my pen is lost. क्या होगा बेटा? पॉसेसिव है माई. माई इज ए पॉसेसिव. आई का पॉसेसिव माई. आई माई, ही हिज, दे देयर, you your. He said that his pen was lost. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. He said that his pen was lost. That his pen was lost. ठीक है. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा की जगह हटाकर दैट लगा देंगे. दैट के जगह इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हटेगा तो दैट लगेगा. तो ही सेड दैट माई पेन, हिज पेन was lost. Now 2 minutes is left. If you have any problem, please ask your query. I am here to tell about. Come on. If you have any query regarding possessive, the pronoun and possessive adjective of a first person and third person directly, हाँ विकास कुमार जी बोलिए, what is your problem? Vikas, please speak out. Write your problem in box. Yes, write your problem in box. I am going to inbox. Please write your problem in box. He said that his pen was lost. Very good, Harsh. Have you understood? Have you understood? Sir, there will be no change in the tense of reported is when the reported verb is in present or future. Yes. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जब प्रेजेंट टेंस में रहेगा तब टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रिपोर्टेड वर्ब इन प्रेजेंट. यस, यू आर राइट. यस, यू आर राइट हर्षित. प्रेजेंट में और फ्यूचर में कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. ही सेड, ही सेड. प्रेजेंट में जैसे ही सेज, द सर्वेंट सेज. ठीक है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? Time is running out. It's almost over. Please, please solve at least at least 100 problems problems of reported speech.